Hello nerdy viewers out there, Scott and Allison, and we're full steam ahead on this conversion.
So we got a letter from the county zoning commissioner saying that we were not allowed to do body work on our bus on our R1 property anymore.
Lucky for us, we're already done with all the body work, so check it out as we install a MaxxFan roof vent and prime the bus. Installing the MaxxFan vent was pretty simple and straightforward.
All you need to do is cut a hole, add some butyl tape, screw it down, and apply some Dicor seam sealer.
The only issue we had was actually attaching the fan to the mount. It was really hard to push it down and get the screws to line up in the right holes.
After we got the MaxxFan vent installed, it was time to prep the bus for a coat of primer.
We needed to grind off some surface rust, and we used a combination of angle grinder and wire brush to achieve this.
You'll also want to scuff up any place you plan to paint so the primer holds tight.
There was only a few cosmetic issues we wanted to take care of, and we used a little Bondo to fill them in.
We used the power washer to clean off all the dirt and grime we grinded off the bus and used some old towels to hand dry.
Our next step was to tape off anything we didn't want painted.
We are using a Sherwin-Williams product called Pro-Cryl, and it requires a coat of Pro-Cryl primer.
It took all day, but we finally got a coat of primer on the bus. There are a few spots we needed to touch up the next day, but we were super happy that the bus is a solid color now.
When we started, we didn't know where our silicone roof would end and our paint would begin, but after getting the first coat of primer on, we figured out a plan, and now we can present Bus Prime.
Our next video should be out sometime this week, and we're going to catch all of you up to where we exactly are on the conversion.
If you have any questions about this video, please leave us a comment down below in the comments section.
And we'll try and get back to it as quickly as we possibly can. As always, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and check out our exclusive content on Facebook and Instagram.
Two nerds out.